A Cybertruck was seen stuck in the snow, unable to get out of couple of inches of snow in Montreal, Canada. The Cybertruck is built for any planet so long as it doesn't have snow. We can see in the background all the cheap cars zipping by while the Cybertruck guy is stuck in the snow. We have to ask this every time when Cybertruck's stuck in snow. What tires are they running on? Because if the stock tires are a summer compound or even some crappy all-weather compound, then there's your problem right there. In fact, you're driving a death trap if you're not running a winter compound. The truck looks like it parked in deep powder and is now unable to move because the undercarriage is resting on compacted snow. The driver just have a wet brain and doesn't know what they're doing. That being said, we are sure that heavy chunk of us is struggling too. But if the driver knew what the hell he was doing, it should have gotten out of that with a bit of spinning.